Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel. So today I am going to make a very easy stitch pattern again. I'm going to use my acrylic yarn and my 3.5mm crochet hook. So we're going to call this stitch a fancy V-stitch. Don't get intimidated with the name. It is very simple. So let's get started. We're going to start with our slip knot. And our foundation chain will be a multiple of 10 plus 8. So do your foundation chain and I'll get back to you. So now we have our foundation chain. I already added my plus 8. So to start our first row, double crochet on the 5th chain from the hook. This chain here on our hook doesn't count as a stitch, so we're going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yarn over and we're going to make 1 double crochet. Make 3 more double crochets. So including the turning chain, the double crochet that we made on the 5th chain from the hook, 3 more double crochets for a total of 5 double crochets. Chain 1, we are going to skip 2 chains and we're going to make a V-stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet on the same chain. Chain 1, and we're going to skip 2 stitches, and on the next we're going to make our double crochet, 4 more double crochets for a total of 5 double crochets. So chain 1, skip 2 chains and our V-stitch again. 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet on the same chain. So this is how it looks like for our first row. So again, chain 1, skip 2 chains and 5 double crochets on the next 5 chains. Again, chain 1, skip 2 chains and do the V-stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet on the same chain. Chain 1, skip. We're going to skip 2 chains, and on the next 5 stitches we're going to make our double crochet. So now we are done with our first row. Moving up for our second row, chain 1 and turn your work. And we are going to make 1 single crochet in every chain. So the chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. We're going to start with the first and make our first single crochet. We have our chain 1. We're going to make 1 single crochet on the chain 1 space. It's either you go through the chain or go over it. Our double crochet, our chain 1 space, double crochet, and we have our chain 1 here. So basically on So basically in every chain. So continue doing your single crochet in every chain. So now I have done my single crochet row. So we are going to repeat what we did on our first row. Chain 3 and turn your work, and we're just going to repeat what we did on the first row. 1 double crochet in the second chain. Our chain 3 will count as our first double. So make 5 double crochets. That's in total. So that would include our chain 3. Don't worry. Chain 1. We are going to skip 2 chains, and on the next chain we're going to do our V-stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet all in the same chain. Chain 1. Don't forget to make a chain 1 before and after doing your V-stitch. So skip 2 chains and start doing your double crochets for the next 5 chains. So chain 1 again before you do your V-stitch. Skip 2 chains, and on the next chain 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, and after your V-stitch, chain 1 again, skip 2 chains and start doing your 5 double crochets in the next 5 chains. This is a very easy one row repeat pattern, alternating your row with a single crochet row. Skip 2 chains, skip 2 chains and 1 double crochet on the next 5 chains. So after you're doing your V-stitch row, chain 1, and we are going to make our single crochet row. So very easy to do pattern, very easy to remember as well. Just make your multiples of 10 plus 8, whichever applies to your project, whatever you want to do, and then do your multiples and start doing your V-stitch on the first row. So when we are on the single crochet row, always make your single crochet on the chain 1 spaces that we have on top of the double crochet of the V-stitch. Between the V-stitch we have a chain 1 space, so make a single crochet on top of the second double crochet of our V-stitch, and the chain 1 space between our V-stitch and the double crochet. Always remember doing the single crochet, because later on when you move up, you will not be getting the exact count for our V-stitch pattern. I just wanted to show you when you're going to start your double crochet row with the V-stitch. This is how it looks when doing a chain 3 at the beginning, and this is how it looks when doing a chain 2. So it's up to you which one you prefer. This chain 2 doesn't have much space in between compared to doing the chain 3. So at the back, it's the same thing. So for me, it's better doing the chain 2 instead of chain 3 every start of this double crochet V-stitch row. All right. So thank you so much for joining me today, and can please share our video as well. And please don't forget to subscribe.